$2.1 million is how much I made from creating meme coins on the Solana blockchain. Now, I am not here to sell a course or to flex on your head. I'm here to show you how I create meme coins for a living every single day because I do not trade, I create. So in this video, I will show you exactly how I find narratives and then how I turn them into coins, all for free. Let's go. Now, trading meme coins is a losing game because let me tell you exactly what will happen when you buy a meme coin. Okay, in most cases, when you buy a meme coin, the coin will pump and then it will dump. So that's why most traders are not profitable because they're buying the top and then they get completely liquidated when the dev sells his supply. So that's why I avoid trading and I started creating my coins instead. Now I am the one creating these coins and profiting from all the traders because all I'm doing is I'm launching coins and waiting for buyers and then I sell my supply, and that's exactly how I make my money from deving, okay? And I do that over and over again, okay? I just launch, launch, launch. The thing is that if you are consistent as a dev and you launch every single day, well, eventually a coin will go viral and your portfolio will stack up over time. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to create coins with my strategy, all for free. I am not here to take or sell you a course. So let's get straight into it, bro. Let's get to the money. And by the way, guys, I am not at all a financial advisor. I do not claim to be one. Yes, I do make money from creating coins, but I do not condone any financial advice. It's all for educational purposes only. Yeah. Now, here is exactly where I make my meme coins to reach the most amount of people possible to buy my coin. Instead of launching on Pump.Fun, which is like over competitive and oversaturated, there's like thousands of coins being launched here, and most of these coins get no buyers. Instead, I launch my coins on Raydium. Now, the Raydium DEX is like a better version than Pump.Fun because most coins that ends up going on Raydium, they do get a bunch of attention and they usually get a bunch of buyers because of that attention. Like right here, it pumped extremely high and then the dev sold his supply and he made a bunch of money, and that was a Raydium coin. This one too was a Raydium coin, and yeah, most of these coins on Raydium, they get buyers, and that's why I launch on Raydium. Now, obviously, bro, to launch a meme coin on Raydium, you have two different ways. You could either go through Pump.Fun, which is like impossible because of the required market cap, right? Just ignore that. So instead, bro, make your coins on coin.io. Every single meme coin that you make here will be immediately migrated directly to Raydium, skipping the bonding curve, and that's why it's being git kept. Now, making a meme coin here is extremely easy, okay? Just like Pump.Fun, you have the option to create a coin from scratch. Now, if you have a narrative in mind, you can make it here. Just invent a name, symbol, and image. It's as simple as that, and follow these steps, right? It's really easy, okay? You can also use their free X tracker or you can copy coins. Now, I made all my money from copying coins, so we will be using this method in this video to launch a meme coin. Basically, all these coins, okay, they all have good communities and good narratives because they went viral on Pump.Fun or they're going viral right now. So we will be copying a coin here to relaunch it to Raydium and get buyers using that narrative. You guys will see, okay? Let me show you how. So let's do a live launch. Let's see how much we can make. Keep watching, take your notes out, or just watch. I don't know. So click your phantom white, right? And now let's copy a coin. I don't care about the narrative. I just go for one. Okay, I'm gonna go for this one. Click on copy to Raydium. Your phantom will show up. Ignore that warning message. Wait, what? Why is it loading? Ignore the block. This is normal. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and the coin will be minted but not live yet because we have to create the liquidity pool first. So just wait. Bang, and click on create liquidity pool. Here we are creating our pool for Raydium. Like that, people can actually see it and it will be immediately migrated. Now for the coins, click on 90%, right? Just click that preset. I do that for all my coins. Once you get better, right, you can start messing around with the supply, but that's up to you. For the amount of SOL to pair, put anywhere in between zero point 0.3 to 1 SOL. Anywhere in between that amount is perfect in my opinion. And you know, if you have too much supply, no one will buy it. So put anywhere in between zero point 0.3 to 1 SOL. You are not going to lose this SOL. If you want it back, you can at the end get back. Click on create pool. Your phantom will show up. Ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then now the coin will be live. People will be able to buy in. Okay, so just wait, bang, click on refresh, and now the coin is live. Let's go see our chart. Let's go see if people are buying in. Go on any trading platform that you want. It does not matter if it's Photon, Axiom, Terminal, Nova. It does not matter. And as you guys can see, our coin is pumping. You can come back to coin launch and click on refresh, and yeah, we're up $300 in profit at this given time. And yeah, guys, now all you have to do is just let your coin pump. Okay, let people buy in. And by the way, guys, I am not doing any promotion for this coin. These are all organic buyers. Some people are like, oh, but you're promoting your coin on X. You're shitting your coin. No, I'm not, bro. These are all random people buying in from Raydium. And yeah, bro, I'm gonna let the coin pump. After the time lapse, I will show you how much we made. So yeah, we're back and enjoy. Alright guys, I am back. Let's cash our meme coin out. Let's go see how much we made in like 5 minutes. This for me is like an average coin, maybe for you too, if you guys are experienced enough to recognize if it's average or not. Anyways, come back to coinlaunch.io, click on refresh, and we're up $3,000. That is real money, by the way. It is not fake. Um, Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. Your phantom will show up. Whoopsies. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then we should be fully cash out of our meme coin. Bang, we just cash out, guys. And yeah, we just made 3K around if it did not fluctuate. If I open my phantom wallet, bang, we made $3,000, guys. Our profits are here. It's instantly inside our phantom wallet. And yeah, bro, that's exactly what I do every single day. It is for educational purposes only. But if you want to start launching, bro, coinlaunch.io will be linked down below. Just stay consistent. Just launch multiple coins at a time, one at a time, but like launch multiple a day, and just stay consistent. Peace out.